The numbers in Paperless only mean something because you can see exactly where they come from. So let's follow the money on a real job. Mitty's house, a $700,000 build. Every dollar you'll ever claim starts here in the payment schedule. The deposit's been invoiced and paid, and with the slab down, the base stage claim is due right now. Costs live in the budget tab. This job carries 15 cost lines totaling $560,000 against a $705,000 contract, a margin just under 20%. Contract value, approved variations, what's been invoiced and what's been collected, it's all reconciled here. And as subby invoices get approved, the actuals land against these lines automatically. Brightline's slab invoices are already in. Step up to the business level under finance. Incoming payments rolls every claim across every job into one view: what's receivable, what's overdue, and what's landed this month. That's live off your claims, not a spreadsheet you update at midnight. Now the part your accountant will love: financial reports. Generate the project profitability report, and Paperless builds it on the spot. Revenue is contract plus approved variations. Costs are your approved subby invoices plus recorded actuals. 3 jobs side by side, and you can see straight away the extension is running a much tighter margin than the duplex. The work in progress report is the one that finds you money. It works out how complete each job is from costs against estimate, then compares what you've earned to what you've actually billed. Mitty's house is $104,000 underbilled. The slab's done, but the base stage hasn't been claimed, and Paperless flags it. Consider invoicing. The duplex is billed ahead of costs, cash on your side of the ledger. Open any row and you can see the exact inputs that built the number, no black box. Send the whole thing to your accountant as a PDF or CSV with one click. And when Xero, QuickBooks, MYOB or Odoo is connected, aged receivables and the cash flow forecast light up too. 5 minutes a week in here, and you will never be surprised by your own numbers again. Next up, documents and photos.